$100 to $200 per day. I'm going to show you exactly what website you can use to make that money each day. Now, if this is the first time you've been to the channel and you like the idea of making money from home, or you like the idea of being an entrepreneur, starting your own online business, or working from anywhere in the world, then subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so that you are notified each and every time we put out new content. We do all sorts of videos and it's all about different ways you can use to make some money online. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can make $100 to $200 per day. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sam. So $100 to $200 per day by typing. Okay, and before you think I'm no good at typing, this video is not for me. Stick around and see why. You need no prior experience whatsoever to get started doing this. It's really simple. So the company that we're going to talk about actually works on a start basis, and you can improve and start with no experience, no prior knowledge, and even if you're not that great and your punctuation's not great, your grammar's not great, it does not matter. They want you to improve and they help you every step of the way. So this company is 100% free of charge. They are not going to ask you to pay any money to work with them. They want you to work with them. They give you flexible time management. It does not matter whether you have a full-time job, a part-time job, you have a school run to do, your grocery shopping, whatever the things you do on a daily basis, it is not going to interfere with working with this company. They also offer weekly payouts. They pay those weekly payouts direct to your PayPal account. And this company is by no means new. It started in 2005 and it is still going strong with hundreds of thousands of people writing content for them every day. Now, it is not just big old fancy articles. So don't think that that is the only thing you'll be writing. So stick with me and I'm going to dive into and show you exactly what company we're talking about and all of the different things that they are looking for when they're asking for people to be content writers. So here is the company. It is Textbroker. Now, you may have heard of this before and you may even have seen videos on Textbroker by other people. But what they don't tell you, or what I've not seen in videos so far, is the different things that you can write. Because when you hear videos saying you can earn money by writing, you think, well, what am I going to write about? Well, you don't have to make the topic up with Textbroker because the orders are put in by the clients. They know what they want, but they want somebody else to write it. And like I said, it isn't just great big fancy articles. It is things as simple as social media posts. Now, if I scroll down here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So they want to work, or the clients of Textbroker are, as it says here, from small local businesses to travel porters, to publishing houses, to some of the largest companies in the world. So you're not just going to be working with great big companies like here, that you're also going to be working with small local businesses. So that could be individuals, that could be partnerships, it could be small storefronts, it could be online entrepreneurs, people and businesses wanting things written for them. And if we go back up here, this is where it tells you what you may be writing about. So they also do product descriptions, blog posts, press releases, social media posts, news stories and technical articles, and then a wide variety of other written content, whatever those companies and individuals are looking for. How do you get paid? Well, we're going to be writing content, and if we go to payment and scroll down to the bottom, you're going to get paid based on a star rating, and the star rating is going to be given to you by Textbroker. Now, when you first sign up, you'll sign up and you will give them kind of a bit of an article to read, and that's going to allow them to determine how many star ratings you are going to be. They will also give you feedback on why you're that star rating, and they will also offer information to help you improve if you wish to. Now, as a 2-star writer, you will get 7.7 cents per word. As a 3-star writer, 1 cent per word. 4-star writer, 1.4 cents per word. And as a 5-star writer, 5 cents per word. Now, the average star writer on Textbroker right now is a 4-star writer. There is so much work available for whatever star level you are, but when you are a higher star level, you have access to the lower star content as well. So if somebody only wants something that's 3 stars and you're a 4-star writer and you want to do it, then you can do it. So let's say, for instance, you start off as a 2-star writer and you just want to practice, or you want to see what kind of work you can do, and you put in an article for 1,000 words, you're going to get $7. It's not a great amount of money, but it is an extra bit of money. So this is where you can make your beer money, if you like. Now then you can improve and get to a 3-star writer, and you'll earn $10 for the same amount of words. Improve to a 4-star writer, $14. Improve to a 5-star writer, and it jumps up to $50 for 1,000 words. So after a bit of time, if you put in and you wanted to do, say, 4,000 words, you would be earning $200 per article. So to give you an idea of what kind of writer you are, you can have a look on here, and it shows you exactly what 2-star writer, 3, 4 and 5-star writer piece would look like. So if I take you to that now, so if we go to I write content, star rating and profiles, and then scroll down to the bottom, and you can see this is 2-star here, and click here to view an example text, and you can read through that, and it shows you what they're talking about, and then it shows you, exactly what content was written for this to be 2-star. Again here, 3-star, and each one is different all the way through to 4-star, and it's all the same article, so you can also see the difference between how 2 stars, 3 stars and all the way up to 5 stars have written about the same article, and you'll get an idea of how you would rank, and also it'll give you an idea of how to write an article that's going to get ranked higher. Okay, so why write for Textbroker? So, like I said before, it is completely free to write for Textbroker. They do not charge anything for their authors. They pay weekly, and as soon as you've earned $10 or more, you can request a payout to your PayPal account. They give helpful feedback, so they have an experienced team of editors, and they regularly rate your articles. And then they provide you with helpful tips on how you can make your writing better. They critique it for you, and they give you exactly what you need to do to improve your writing so that you can get a higher star rating. Like I said before, flexible time management. You can write on your own time as often or as little as you like. Free writing resources, so you can stay on top of writing trends with their blog, tutorials and videos. So, like I said, they want you to get better. They do everything, and they provide much information to you so that you can improve your writing. So if it's something that you are just doing for a hobby, then you can improve that hobby. If it's something that you actually want to do for a living and you're using Textbroker as an avenue to improve, then it is a really, really good resource for that. If you're just using it for beer money, then you don't need to get up to a 5-star writer for that, because you are still going to earn yourself money as a 2, 3 and 4 star writer. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is where it's available. I'm obviously logged in on the United States, so if you go to textbroker.com, that is the United States. But if you are not in the United States and you are anywhere in these countries down here and you log into textbroker.com, all you need to do is click on your flag and it will open up your page. So it will take you to the text broker of your own country, which is where you sign up, because you have to be a citizen of the country in order, or a resident of the country that you are on text broker with, in order to write for them. So just go to the website that's relevant to you. So if I go back to the US, and then I can take you all the way down to the bottom of the page, you can see down here all of the other stuff they do to help. So they have expert tips. Then they have their company, so the support they offer about text broker, jobs, news, contact and media kit. And this is the area that's important to us, not this, because I write content. Payment, why write for text broker, how text broker works, sign up article, star rating and profiles, and writing resources. So it gives you lots of information about the things that you can write. And also when you go into text broker and you're on the inside, your orders are going to be already in there from the companies. And say for instance they want a social media post, it's going to tell you what they want you to write about. And so you're going to put an article together, and you can use the writing resources here to help you do that. So here, as it says, feedback, they'll review your articles and give you feedback, as we already said. Download. So you can download case studies and ebooks to provide you with additional knowledge on content creation. So you're not going to be working blind without any help whatsoever. Blog. So you can read interesting articles on grammar and on writing tips, content marketing and e-commerce. So if this is something that you are wanting to do professionally, or you enjoy it as a hobby, this is something that may be useful to you, because you want to dive into it more. If you're just wanting beer money, you're probably just going to want to whack out 2 or 3 star content to get your money coming in quickly, and not worry about much else, because you're only doing it for the money, right? Now, if you are only doing it for the money, and I have mentioned this in another video before, there is a quicker way to do it than just typing. So you can actually go and use your Google Docs, and you can use your speak to text. And so all you're going to do is you're going to talk, and Google Docs is going to type what you text. Now, when you do that, obviously it's going to be typing quicker than what you can, because it's going to keep up with how you're speaking, and you'll be able to bang out 1,000, 2,000 words much quicker than you would if you was typing. And so if you're doing it for beer money, that's probably the best way for you to go, because I'm guessing that you're not an awesome fast writer, and so it's just going to help you whack out those words much quicker. You can also take what you've wrote in Google Docs, take it to Grammarly, and it is going to just quickly go over your grammar and your spelling and your punctuation for you. So this is Text Broker, and I have gone through pretty much most of it from how it works. As you can see here, Text Broker has done articles and writing pieces for companies such as Yoast, Stables, eBay, 1&1. You may or may not have heard of some of the others. And like I said, really, really small individual companies. So there is going to be something for everybody to write about. So I hope you've enjoyed the video and you've got some good value from this. And like I said before, if you do enjoy this kind of video and you are looking for ways to make money online, then subscribe to the channel, because that is what we talk about. And we come out with new ways for you to use to do just that all of the time. So hit the notification bell and give the video a like, because that is going to help the video and we will appreciate that. So thanks again for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next video.